The date is being given by the Illuminati to trap the New Age people, to trap them into believing they have to prepare for this date so they're caught totally unawares by what's going to happen in the next 2 months. There's a little comet called Elenin. Every time this little comet is in alignment with our planet and either the sun or some other body, there's a major earthquake. Now, vibrational harmonics work such that if they directly line up, you get an amplification of energy. February 27th, 2010, this little comet was in a direct alignment between the Earth and the sun. On that date, there was an earthquake in Chile. That's just a coincidence, isn't it? Well, there was another coincidence, because when the Earth came around the other side here, and the Earth was in alignment, and then the comet was a little bit closer, but they're in alignment again, and that was September 4th, 2010. There was an earthquake in Christchurch. And then the Earth came back round again, and then the next time it was in alignment with the sun, and now this is closer, March 11th, there's an earthquake in Japan. Once is a coincidence, twice is pushing it, 3 times, wait a minute, something's going on here. The other one that will happen is August 17th. I've gone publicly on this one because there is an alignment between the Earth, Venus, the Sun and Mercury. They're in a straight line, and Nibiru is at right angles to the Sun. At August the 17th, I'm being told there's going to be a massive earthquake on the planet. It will probably be somewhere between Alaska and San Francisco. The next alignment happens on September 26th this year, and it is between us and the sun. And at that point, it is 0.38 away from us. When it was 2 away, we had a magnitude 9 earthquake. The gravitational forces, the infrared forces, they're all 25 times greater on that date. The whole Pacific Rim will go with magnitude 12 to 15 earthquakes. New Zealand will disappear, Japan will disappear, Indonesia will disappear, China will disappear, Korea will disappear, Russia will disappear, the west coast of America will disappear, the whole lot. East coast of Australia will not be affected by the earthquakes per se, but they will be affected by the tidal waves that come from it. There is going to be a cosmic sonic shockwave that will totally blow out our Van Allen belts and our magnetic fields, and will leave the planet totally open to gamma radiation. If you are out in the open at that point, you will literally be fried alive. It's like the vampire jumping out into the light. That's what's going to happen. When this object goes across the sky, it's going to cause an eclipse that will last at least 3 days. So you're going to have all these volcanoes going off, pyroclastic blasts going everywhere, level 12, 13 magnitude earthquakes. The electromagnetic pulses are going to fry all electrics. You're going to have wind speeds over 1,000 miles an hour. You're going to have surface temperatures of 60 degrees plus. All the water surfaces are going to dry up. The volcanic ash is going to cause huge amounts of acid rain. There will be wildfires all over the planet. And they're saying nothing about this?